Welcome dear friends. In this video we will discuss part 2 of pair of words from CSS English paper of the year 1978. So let's start. Poor and pour. Pour means to flow or cause to flow in a steady stream, often from one container to another. यानी पुअर के मानी है एक मुस्तकिल नदी में बहना, अक्सर एक कंटेनर से दूसरे कंटेनर में. Its synonyms are stream, gush, cascade, flood, discharge and empty. Example sentences: She decided to pour the tea into the cups, filling the room with its comforting aroma. Pore. It refers to small openings like those in the skin or certain materials. इसका मतलब है एक छोटे सुराख, जैसे अक्सर जल्द में या किसी और चीज़ में, अक्सर पत्तों में भी इस तरह के सुराख होते हैं तो उसको पोर कहते हैं. Its synonyms are opening, orifice, aperture, hole, outlet, inlet, vent and stoma. Example sentences: Pores are found in the skin of humans and other animals and on the surface of plants and rocks. Humiliation and humility. Humiliation refers to the act of causing someone to feel ashamed, embarrassed or degraded, often through actions that undermine their dignity or self-respect. यानी ह्यूमिलिएशन से मुराद किसी को शर्मिंदगी या ज़िल्लत का एहसास दिलाना, अक्सर ऐसे अमाल के ज़रिए जो उनके वक़ार या इज़्ज़त नफ्स को मजरूह करे. Its synonyms are shame, disgrace, degradation, embarrassment and mortification. Example sentences: The public exposure of his past mistakes led to a deep sense of humiliation as he faced judgment from those around him. Humility. It is the quality of being modest, unpretentious and having a low view of one's importance. यानी इससे मुराद आजिज़ होने की खूबी है या अपनी अहमियत के बारे में कम नज़र रखना है. Its synonyms are modesty, meekness, humbleness, unpretentiousness and modestness. Example sentences: Despite his considerable success, he maintained a sense of humility, always crediting his team for their collective achievements. Wreck and wreak. Wreck means to destroy or severely damage a thing, typically referring to vehicles, structures or objects. यानी रिक का मतलब है किसी चीज़ को तबाह करना या शदीद नुकसान पहुंचाना, आमतौर पर गाड़ियों, ढांचे या अशिया की तबाही से मुराद है. Its synonyms are destroy, demolish, ruin, devastate and crash. Example sentences: The storm's fury was so intense that it managed to wreck several boats along the coastline. Reek. It means to emit a strong and unpleasant odor or smell. इसका मतलब एक मजबूत और नागवार बदबू खारिज करना है. Its synonyms are stink, smell, emit an odor, exude, a bad smell and stench. Example sentences: The garbage bin had been sitting in the sun for days and it began to reek with a nauseating smell that spread throughout the alley. Temporal and temporary. Temporal means relating to time or the material world as opposed to the spiritual world. यानी रूहानी दुनिया के बरखिलाफ वक्त या मादी दुनिया से मुतालिक. Its synonyms are time related, secular, worldly and non-spiritual. Example sentences: The cathedral's intricate carvings depicted both spiritual and temporal aspects of life, showcasing scenes from both the divine and earthly realms. Temporary. It means lasting for only a limited period, not permanent. यानी सिर्फ एक महदूद मुद्दत तक जारी रहना, मुस्तकिल नहीं होना. Synonyms are transient, ephemeral, short term and fleeting. Example sentences: The company hired temporary staff to handle the increased workload during the busy holiday season. Thank you for watching this video. Stay blessed.